In education, sometimes we get a piece of content that we think is exceptional as far as the information inside it, but it's a bit above grade level. For example, this Stanford report about implicit theories and emotional functioning in middle schoolers. So today we're going to talk about how to use Ahura Ed tools to take this very complex document and simplify it into a lesson for middle schoolers. First, we will be using the summarize document. Then we will use the activity ideas, and then finally the question extractor to create a small quiz at the end. So uploading the file to our slide generator tool, which really is a bullet point creator, we will say, can you simplify this and make it approachable to a middle school class? Click number of slides, and then it does so. We then take this information up here, click copy, and then we'll create a activity based on it. So we select seniority as middle school, copy and paste the information from the previous, and we'll say we want to create an activity for kinetic learners, such as an obstacle course. Let's say we have a lot of athletes in the class. We want to make sure that we're teaching towards their learning style. Number of participants, 20. And then it will spit out an activity that we can then use for our students. Gives us the instructions, gives us some elements of the obstacle course, and then some discussions for the end of each obstacle. But in order to ensure that the students are retaining this knowledge, we want to make sure that we have a quiz at the end. So the question generator tool, we will upload that file using the same information as the chassis for this tool, for this quiz. The number of questions will be 10. We will use the activity to give it a understanding that we want it to relate to the activity and or have reflection-based questions. Click open-ended questions. We will then generate them, and it will give us a series of questions that we can collect, let's say 2 to 5, to create a quiz at the end of our course. And that's how you take a very complex document and simplify it into a lesson plan for middle schoolers using Ahura Ed tools. And you can go to tools.ahura.ai to join us and sign up. Thank you.